Hello everyone, welcome to the Binary Logic YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn everything about IQ option broker. So welcome to IQ option review. Let me show you the IQ option features. At first, IQ option has different features such as it's a regulated broker, it has advanced trading platform, it has faster withdrawal and 100 plus trading indicators, 320 plus trading assets, and it is available in both mobile and desktop. It has various deposit and withdrawal methods, and it has free educational videos. So now let me show you the banned countries. You can see USA, UK, Afghanistan, Albania, and Australia, and many more countries are not allowed to trade in IQ option. Now, let's know some other information about the IQ option broker. So it's founded in 2013 and it's regulated under CySEC, which is Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, which has minimum deposit of 10 and it has demo account with $1,000 and withdrawal takes 1 to 3 working days. So if you would like to create a free IQ option account, please visit the binarylogic.com/IQ option or simply check the description of this video. To create an account, please visit the binarylogic.com/IQ option and enter your first name and last name and enter your email address and enter your password and press OK, that I agree button and select try now, and you will have a free trading account that you can use to practice and you can learn trading in IQ option. Now, let me show you how to use the practice account or demo account in IQ option. To use the practice account or demo account, just click on the top right corner of your trading platform and you will see your real account and practice account. Practice account means demo account, okay? So you can see here is my practice account. You can use this practice account to learn trading, okay? And if you want to top up the practice account, just click here and you can see here top up. If you click top up, then it will reload up to 10,000 USD. Okay, so I'm clicking top up and you can see my balance is now 10,000 USD. Okay, it's a paper money. It is not withdrawable. Okay, so this is how you can use your practice account in IQ option. There are several methods that you can use to deposit money in IQ option. To see the deposit methods, just select deposit and select top up your account and you can see the deposit methods: Perfect Money, MasterCard, Visa, Skrill, Bitcoin, ADV Cash and Web Money. You can use these methods to deposit money in IQ option. Now the deposit part, I will show you how to deposit in IQ option. Okay, so if you would like to deposit in IQ option, just click here and you will see the if you would like to deposit in practice account, just select top up and it will convert to 10,000 US dollar. If you'd like to deposit in real account, just select deposit from the top right corner, or you can click here and select deposit from here. Okay, so I am clicking the deposit button and top up your account. Okay, top up your account and start real trading. So select top up your account and select the let's say I would like to deposit in Skrill. Okay, so select the Skrill, let's say $10, proceed to payment, and it will redirect to you a website where you need to enter the required information to process the payment. Okay, you can see it's now loading. I'm waiting. It's still loading. Wait, do not close the window or do nothing. Just wait. It is now connecting to the server. There you go. Here is my balance that I can now add. Select. If I select pay now, it will deposit the money. It will deposit my money. Okay, select pay now and it will deposit my money because I already logged in my Skrill account before opening this video. Okay, so this is the way how you can deposit in IQ option. Now I will show you how to trade in IQ option platform. So you can see here is the charts and here are the left menus, and this is the asset that I'm going to trade. It is Bitcoin. You can select different assets from there, and here is my practice account information. That means I am now trading in the practice account. Okay, and here is the verification badge, and if you would like to place the trade in binary options, you can see it's now in binary. So select the time. At first you can see the red line is now the time, expiry time. Okay, if I zoom in, you can see the red line. This is the expiry time, and this is a dotted white line, which is the current line. Okay, which is the expiry time, which is the expiry of placing the trade, and this is the final expiration of my trade. Okay, so if you would like to place the trade, just select the asset, analyze the market, and select higher or lower. If you select higher, it will place a higher trade, and if you select lower, it will place a lower trade. Okay, so I'm placing the trade right now. I am placing a lower trade because the market seems it is going down. I placed the lower trade. Oh my god, my connection was lost. Okay, now I am in the trade. I will show you how the expiration works. 36 seconds remaining. Okay, only 9 seconds remaining. It seems I'm going to lose the trade. Okay, only 2 seconds, and there you go. So this is a losing trade, and you can see I lost one US dollar. Okay, this is how you can place a trade in IQ option platform. If I would place the higher trade, then I would win the trade. Okay, so this is how you can trade in IQ option platform. Now let me show you how many trading types are available in IQ option. So if you go to top left corner, you will find this arrow. Click here, and you can see here are watch list, options, binary, digital options, and forex, stocks, crypto, commodities, and ETFs. That means you can trade in every types. Okay, if you click digital, you will find digital options here. If you click forex, you will find the forex pairs here. And if you click crypto, you can trade in cryptocurrencies and commodities, ETFs, and you have everything that you can trade in IQ option. Okay, if I talk about IQ option assets, you will find every assets here. Okay, in trading types, if you click forex, you will find the forex assets, and if you go click stocks, you will find the stocks available in IQ option to trade. And if you click commodities, you will find the commodities that you can trade. So they are the assets in IQ option. Now the verification part, I will show you how to verify your account. First of all, click on the image icon here. You can see it's my verified account. If I click here, I will see some options here: upload photo, personal data, withdraw funds, contact support, balance history, and trading history. From there, select personal data. If you select personal data, you will be redirected to a page where you can upload the verification documents, and your account will be verified within 2 or 3 business days, or sometimes it takes longer. If it takes longer, you can simply contact support for more information. I'm not going to show you in details. I just explained the way how to verify your account, and you can see my account is verified. So that's all for how to verify your account. Now let's move to the another part. Let me show you how to withdraw in IQ option. So if you'd like to place a withdrawal, you need to select your image icon or your profile icon here, and then select withdraw funds. Okay, so before I show you the withdrawal method, you should understand there are different types of withdrawal methods that you can use to withdraw your funds. But if you deposit via your card, at first, the first withdrawal should be through your card, and this amount cannot exceed the limit that you deposited. Let me show you in details. Select withdraw funds, and it will redirect to you a page where you need to submit the necessary information to place the withdrawal. So I am now inside my account, and it's loading. And you can select the withdrawal method. You can see Visa, ADV Cash, Neteller, Skrill, Perfect Money, and Web Money WMJ available. So you can simply select Skrill because I prefer Skrill. You need to select the email. Let's say your email. and amount that you would like to transfer. Let's say I would like to withdraw $15 and then select withdraw funds, and there you go. It should process within one business day in 99%. In 90% case, sometimes it takes up to 2 business days. And you can please note, one free withdrawals remaining until the end of the calendar month. That means you can withdraw your funds for free every month, and that is not more than once. There are extra things that you need to know if you trade in IQ option professionally. Okay, so they are total portfolio, trading history, chats and support, leaderboard, market analysis, video tutorials, and more options. Okay, so if you would like to see the leaderboard, just click on the leaderboard. You will find the leaderboard in your country and all over the world. And here are video tutorial series that you can learn everything if you are a complete beginner. And in more option, you will find tournaments where you can join the tournaments to earn more money, because IQ option holds very tournaments every week. So they are the options in IQ option that you need to know. So that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, comment below.